Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing firmware and tools up to date. This prevents compatibility hiccups. Once done, plug your Dualsense Edge into the Cronus via a reliable USB-C cable and power the Cronus host. Make sure the Cronus app detects a controller and switch to pass-through or compatible controller mode so inputs are relayed cleanly. Doing this first removes layers of guesswork and lets you move into mapping and configuration with a confirmed physical connection. Now you configure how the Edge talks to games. Open the Cronus software and load or create a profile. Selecting a compatible template speeds things up. Map the Edge paddles and reassign buttons where needed, then tune dead zones and sensitivity so analog sticks feel natural. If you use macros or anti-recoil scripts, add them carefully and set acceptable timings. Finally, set the USB pull rate and save the complete profile to the Cronus device. Finish by validating functionality. Run the Cronus input tester and then jump into a quick match to confirm behavior under load. Make incremental adjustments to sensitivity or macro timing if something feels off, and save profiles into separate slots for different games. Backup profiles to your computer to avoid rebuilding settings. If something breaks, the simplest fix is a full reboot and reseating of cables. If that fails, reflash Cronus firmware and reload the profile, then test again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.